Hello, my name is Guy, and in this video, I'm going to take you through the backlinks page of our SEO tool. First of all, I want you to take a look at the Your Backlinks under the Backlinks tab. On this page, you'll be able to see all of the websites that have referenced your website. It tells you the website that it's on, the date it was found, and what specific page of that website that they referenced you on. We rate all of these websites and we score all of these websites. We score all of these backlinks based on a domain authority score. The domain authority is a metric that is unique to us. We use our own algorithms to calculate an overall score based on a combination of your trust flow and your citation flow. The trust flow is a metric that analyzes how trustworthy a website is by measuring its quality and its essential data for this metric. If a link pointing to your website is authoritative and qualitative, then your trust flow will increase. Whereas the citation flow is a metric that refers to the popularity of a link in a site without considering the quality of these links. The perfect example of this is in gambling websites. They have a very high citation flow, but these links are often not qualitative. A website with a lot of links pointing to it will be influential and will get you a good citation flow. Now let's look at the authority page. On this page, it shows you a line graph of your trust flow and your citation flow of your website. If you scroll down, it details all of the domain authority and backlinks that you have on your website, and it checks this each month. And the tool checks this each month. It shows you the domain authority of your website at the time of the date. It tells you the trust flow of your website. It tells you the citation flow, how many external backlinks you have for your website, and how many referring domains you have for your website. The referring domains is a count of the number of unique website domains that point to your website. If you have two backlinks from Yahoo, for example, one on the home page and one on an internal page, this will be counted as one referring domain. That domain would be yahoo.com. Now let's go back to the Your Links page and click the Disavowed button here. In here, you'll see all of the backlinks that you've disavowed on your website. And to disavow backlinks, you need to go to Backlinks Health Check. This is where you can check all of the pending backlinks that you have for your website that you may not have noticed just yet. And you can either keep them or disavow them. When you click Disavow, they'll be moved to Disavowed. If you've changed your mind and you want to keep them, you can click Move to Keep. And then once you've done all of that, what you do is click Upload Disavow button, and you'll be presented with this message, which clarifies you want to make sure that you are absolutely certain about your choice, because disavow files are very powerful and you don't want to accidentally include websites that are not harmful for your SEO, because if you disavow valuable backlinks, this will have a harmful impact on your SEO. So double and triple check everything before you do this. And if you're absolutely sure, then just click yes, I understand and I want to proceed. Let's jump back to your backlinks. Now we can look at the lost backlinks. This button takes you to all of the backlinks that have gone missing, have been removed by the websites that used to have your backlink on. This just gives you a record of what you used to have. And now we want to go back to the Your Backlinks page. If our platform hasn't found a backlink and you have, here's what you need to do. Click Add Backlink. Now you need to find the backlink URL that your website is referenced on. And now enter that URL in here. Click Save. That will then be added here, and then our platform will give it a domain authority and will tell you the date it was found and what website it's on, and the specific page that website is on too. Take a look at the Backlinks Competitors Opportunities page. On this page, you'll see a bunch of websites that have referenced your competitors' websites. This means that these are potential opportunities for you to get backlinked to your website on their website. And to do this, you click the contact information and it'll give you all the employees' emails, it'll give you all the company's emails. And what you want to do is try your best to try and work something out with the company and get a backlink to your website on their website. And what you do to go through this is you click progress. This means you've contacted the company, and all this does is it makes sure that you know that you're in the middle of contacting the company. If you've completed it, you click progress, and that'll be moved to completed, and then you click complete. And from the completed page, what will happen is those backlinks will then be added to your backlinks page. Thank you for watching.